would say threefold. The importance of health has really arrived in on everybody's spotlight center stage. Politicians, public have understood how important health is for everything, not just for patients, but for economy, for how we live and work. The second piece, I would say, is the pandemic has been a huge success of collaboration. In a way, when you look at how long it usually takes to produce vaccines, medications, well, we should have expected first vaccines earliest end of this year. But here we are today, already 5 billion of people have been vaccinated, and this is just a miracle. And that miracle has been brought together by collaboration. So I would say importance of health is here, and collaboration is king. Here at European Forum Alpbach, we always bring these interdisciplinary perspectives on a topic. And yesterday, I think we zoomed into how the combination also of capital markets, financing opportunities, and innovation, how important that is. The examples of some of the startups that were successful to actually bring the first vaccines to the market, well, their venture capital actually came from abroad because maybe our situation here in Europe doesn't really provide for that. Well, and I think that was an interesting discussion yesterday. For example, Austria has a healthcare system that is quite open to innovation. However, across Europe, we already have differences. And then when we look across the globe, there are vast differences. So access is really an important topic. And it was interesting to see the conversation, how voluntary licensing, how tech transfer, how actually companies clearly stating that they will not exercise their patent rights in certain low-income countries can give actually a clear commercial position to generics to actually then move into those markets. What we also see is that patient access is a complex issue that has lots of factors to address, and where really also the public, again, collaboration between the different healthcare stakeholders is key. Yeah, here that's a fundamental thing. Also, the EU Commission is driving the EU data spaces forward as one of the key strategies and has chosen health as the first data space to be strategically pursued. Well, here in Austria, we have quite a number of good infrastructure pieces where we could actually have a jump start into using health data for research purposes. In the population, we see that due to the pandemic, the opinion of the public has actually moved to 90% actually agreeing that health data should be used to advance medical research. But now the government and the stakeholders in the healthcare system have to work together to really make it happen. So, for example, we have the Forschungsorganisationsgesetz, but it actually hasn't been put into action. And that is something really positive to see, that now various parties have understood the importance of health data and are willing to jointly move forward so that we have a responsible and secured way of using that health data to the benefit of patients for future better treatment options.